This is the Flex Series F.1 carton erecting machine. Just give you a quick walkthrough. On the HMI is very intuitive. You have your home screen, your troubleshooting menu with your program numbers for troubleshooting. You have I/O readouts with inputs, with outputs. Also you have a manual. The manual is easily navigated by these buttons here. So manual built right into the HMI. And you have safe access. So right now there's no cartons in here, so we're going to load. So we're going to wait for the feeder to retract. Once it's retracted, it'll unlock the doors. Be able to put some cartons in here. HMI steps you through that process. Once you're done, it is low because there is a you have to have about 5 or more boxes in there for it to say that it's not low. We've only got 4 boxes in there, so we're going to dismiss that. Go to the home screen. And at this point we're going to run. What it's going to do is it's going to erect the cartons, and it's going to drop it off in one of these 2 zones here. This is zone 1 and zone 2, where it can be filled by a robot. And the end effector here is going to facilitate that delivery. Once these are filled, the system will tell the Flex system that we are going to that we need to close the box. So it's going to grab the box from here, send it through the box closing mechanism, come back around over to the sealer, and then it'll be pushed out the end here. So if I hit the start button, it's going to initialize. It's going to make sure it's in a happy position, and then it's going to run. Erects the carton, brings it over to the zone. It's dropped in place. It's going to go get another one since this zone is empty. So again, erecting the carton. Dropping it into that zone. Now at this point, we're going to manually fill so we're going to go ahead and close it. Goes through, closes it, drops it, and it's going to go grab another box. Angle. Grab the other box now that it's done filling. That way the robot always has a box sitting there waiting to fill. At this point, it's going to alarm that the feeder is empty. So it's not going to go back to the feeder anymore, but you can go ahead and finish out the boxes that are currently in there. One last box. At this point, the machine will pause and wait for us to load the cartons. I'm going to load one more carton in order for us to see the sealer doing what it needs to do. We're going to watch it from this side. So after each box, the sealer servo will rewind and drive the seal to into position, and once it's in position, the box goes through and is nice and sealed up. So that's the Flex F1. This is currently running on a Mitsubishi IQR and IAI 2-axis system, along with Festo pneumatics. It's communicating over CC link to the IAI and to the Festo. It is currently outfitted to communicate with Profinet for the rest of the system, but that could be configured however you want it.